With the reveal and release of the new iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, I am checking out the PITAKA MagCase for the iPhone 11 Pro, which we have here. This is just a dummy unit, but nonetheless basically the same dimensions, but we can at least check the case out nonetheless. So PITAKA makes cases that are true 100% carbon fiber Kevlar that are used, such as in like body armor, military vehicles of super high quality. And the price shows that. So this case is not cheap. It's $50. They have this for all the iPhone 11 variants, iPhones. They do offer it for other devices as well. You can check out the links down in the description, where you can pick this up on Amazon. So some of the specs, some of the things that they say: 100% aramid fiber, carbon fiber. It's super lightweight, extremely thin because of that, and it does support wireless charging. It has two metal plates in the back of it, so it will actually work with magnetic charging stands for the car, for example. So super nice packaging. Kind of explanation here of what PITAKA is and what they stand for. And now, as we open it, so the unboxing experience is super nice. This kit, just this box itself, is quite quality in that sense. You open it, here you go, and then you have the case itself. Let's go ahead and just pull that out. Whoa, that's super light. So first things first, what we have here. All right, so what they include in here is actually these little stickers that have a little bit of thickness to them. So basically, as you can see, they're paper thin, but essentially what these are going to be for is to place on the back of your iPhone in places if there's too much of a gap, and so that could be various manufacturing tolerances from Apple. Nothing else in the box, but we have the case here. This is the lightest case I have ever held or experienced. This feels so good. It's not like the OnePlus cases where they're Kevlar. This is legit. It has some flex to it, given the properties of what carbon fiber is, but you are going to have that nice, rigid, and really great durable protection for your phone. So you do have a soft touch feel for it, and you can feel all the weaving of the carbon fiber. And there is the lip up here. There is a lip for your camera sensors and that square camera bump. And then in here, yes, you can't see it, but there are two metal plates somehow within this thinness of a case. So compatible with PITAKA magnetic mounts. So let's go ahead and slap this on. You do have cutouts for your power button, your volume buttons, and your alert slider switch, and it just clips in just like that. This case is so quality. It's so nice. So if you do have a different colored phone, such as the iPhone 11 that comes in all those different colors, you are going to get the color pop from that along the frame. But unfortunately, the back is going to be completely covered. But you can easily peel the case off just by lifting it from one of the corners and then working your way down to the bottom here. So at the top, there is pretty much the cutouts on the top and the bottom. The bottom is more cut out, and you have a little indentation for the charging port for the lightning connector. Up here, there is a little bit of a lip that comes around the top edge. So you're gonna get the protection of what carbon fiber Kevlar offers for your phone. Super thin. There's no front lip or whatsoever, so you're not going to get the front glass protection like other rugged cases, but you are going to be capable of putting any sort of screen protector on this without any sort of issues from the case itself. But this feels great. You do have a raised lip on the back, like I just showed you, that will protect their camera lenses you're not adding any sort of bulk or any sort of weight to your phone whatsoever. So if you want something that's minimal, something that's going to protect your phone, this is going to be the way to go. The PITAKA series, they have cases for varying devices, but mostly for iPhones. So I'll leave the links down in the description. $50. They have it for the Pro Max, the Pro, and for the 11. But I am impressed. I personally would be okay spending the $50 for a case. They did send this over to me for free, so just be mindful of that. But it is pricey, so if you have the extra cash and you want to splurge for a case, then this would be, oof. I like the feel of it for sure. Who knows, long term, you might be seeing grease over time. If your hands are greasy or oily, might pick up on here a little bit, but should be easy to clean off and wipe off, not a problem. If you guys have any questions on this PITAKA case, let me know down in the comments below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.